Ever wondered how to make the perfect chocolate cake? Start by gathering all the necessary ingredients. For the cake, you'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. For the frosting, gather unsalted butter, powdered sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's move on to the next step. Time to get our hands dirty and prepare the cake batter. We start by sifting our dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt into a large bowl. This will ensure a lump-free batter and a smoother cake texture. In a separate bowl, we'll whisk together the wet ingredients: large eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. This blend is the key to our cake's rich and moist crumb. Now comes the fun part, gradually adding the wet mixture to the dry one, stirring until smooth. This is a crucial step, as it ensures all ingredients are well incorporated, giving our cake that consistent chocolatey goodness. Lastly, we'll stir in boiling water. Yes, you heard right. This might thin out our batter, but it's the secret to achieving a light, fluffy cake. With the batter ready, we're set for the next stage, baking the cake. Now, it's time to put our cake in the oven and let the magic happen. Set your oven to a cozy 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Distribute the batter evenly into your prepared cake pans and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. The aroma will be tempting, but patience is key. To check if your cake is ready, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is done. Once the cake is baked and cooled, we're ready for the final step, frosting the cake. The final step in our chocolate cake journey is preparing the frosting and assembling the cake. Start with softened unsalted butter, whipping it until it's creamy. Gradually add powdered sugar and unsweetened cocoa powder, mixing on low speed until combined. Next, slowly pour in heavy cream and vanilla extract, increasing the speed until the frosting is light and fluffy. Now let's assemble. Place 1 cake layer on your serving plate and spread a generous layer of chocolate frosting on top. Add the second cake layer and frost the top and sides evenly. Remember, it's essential to let the cake cool before frosting to prevent a melty mess. And there you have it, a perfect, moist, and fluffy chocolate cake. Enjoy a slice with a cup of coffee, tea, or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Happy baking!